It is finished. When he said it's finished, there ain't nothing else need to be done except accept it. That's all we have to do tonight. He cried, it is finished, and the world heard the sound, marking the beginning as his blood touched the ground. The master plan for living on Mount Calvary was today, such expression of love and salvation today. He said, I love you, and he wrote it in his blood.